Hi everybody, I am here at Robbers Roost, this great community right in North Myrtle Beach, just a mile to the beach and right around the corner for some great shopping. I have a gorgeous home here at 1004 Mary Reed Drive. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a spacious floor plan. You're gonna absolutely love this. Total square footage is 3,812 and the heated is 3,200. The asking price right now is $762,000. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this beauty. This was built, they finished it this year, so 2022, and it has an open floor plan. Gourmet kitchen. There's so much to this. You're absolutely gonna love it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beauty. So as I said here, we're in the Robbers Roost development, and this is just an absolutely gorgeous home. You will love this. And it's decorated so beautifully too for the holidays. So this is being sold, not furnished, but you're gonna see so many amazing things about this home. You absolutely love it. So as we walk in, come into the dining area, that open floor plan, you have a closet there, and one here as well. And then right over here to the left, we have the first bedroom. Ample sized bedrooms. And then this is the first full bath with a shower tub combo. Beautiful granite vanity. So notice the openness here as you come in. Hello, Mr. Claus. Coming into the living area, a storage unit here. High ceilings, beautiful high ceilings throughout. And so we have that open concept that everyone just loves. You have a nice long breakfast bar here. Kitchen island, this is a gourmet kitchen. Natural gas. So for all you gourmet cooks, you have natural gas. Plenty of cabinet space. You have a walk-in pantry here. And then here you have a very spacious laundry room with a sink, plenty of room to go ahead and fold your clothes and whatnot, even some room for some shelving up there. This comes with a 2-car garage, so plenty of space. And this is a golf cart community, meaning you can go ahead and get in your golf cart and head right down to the beach. This is less than a mile from the beach, and in a great area. We have in the North Myrtle Beach area new shopping complexes that have come in with restaurants, a variety of shops, gyms, Pilates studios, and so Home Goods. I bet you a lot of this stuff here is from Home Goods. The house looks just so beautiful. So anyway, this is walking distance to that complex, and it's just a fabulous location. So this is the half bath. Decorated so nicely. linen closet there. And then this beautiful master bedroom with the tray ceilings. Again, we're looking at new construction here that was just finished this year. So you're going to have new HVAC system, new roof, you know, everything is brand new. So you're not going to have to worry about replacing anything. It's going to last for many good years to come. So the spacious master bathroom with the double vanities. And then the beautiful walk-in shower, linen closet there. And you'll have a toilet over here. And the toilet area is right in here. And what you folks will love, who doesn't, a fabulous walk-in closet. There is a lot of storage in this home. So the square footage, again, the total is 3,812, and then the heated is 3,200. So you have a little Carolina room here, plenty of windows, letting in a lot of light. And you have a patio out here. So plenty of space here for entertaining. All right, and we have the upstairs. So notice how the second level overlooks this beautiful open concept floor plan. All righty, let's go ahead and take a look at more of this wonderful home here. So this is a second home to the owners, and they are downsizing. This is a highly sought after community here at Robbers Roost. Little office area here. Overlooking the downstairs. And here's another bedroom. Great sizes on the bedroom. All these bedrooms. Nice double doors for the closets. This is a big storage in here. So plenty of storage. And here's another full bath in that shower tub combo. And everything here is brand new, so absolutely wonderful. If you're looking for new construction, you have it right here, but you're not going to have to wait to have a home completed. You have this one all set and ready to go. And by the way, in this community, this is the largest floor plan that they offer. So as I say large, look how big this bedroom is. And yet another bedroom here. The walk-in closet right here. This one's not a walk-in, but plenty of space there. And then again, more storage in here. I'm not turning on that light there, but that's another large storage unit. So, and this home offers so much in aesthetics as well as space, location, so important, and you have it all here. Look at how beautiful that is. Great, everybody. So wrapping up this tour here of Robbers Roost community, this beautiful single family home, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. This is nice and large. It's move-in ready too. It's all set to go. There is an HOA of just $100 a month. That does include pool, all the community landscaping and lights and whatnot, electricity. And let's see, I think I've covered it all here. This was built by Moss Creek Homes, and this community started in 2018. And see right below me too, that fireplace. This whole community is a natural gas community. So again, you have that great gas oven stove, that great gas stove top, which is wonderful for cooking. So thank you so much for joining me here. If you're interested in this home or any other properties in the North Myrtle Beach surrounding areas, I'd love to hear from you. Tara Gurry, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor at 843-877-5839. Thank you and take care. See you next time.